everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Bengali hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine. Doing well with good health and very happiness. You have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video stylish and latest collection. Pixie haircut with side bang. Many much more latest ideas of pixie haircut with side bang with beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish hairstyling, and so beautiful ideas in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in pixie. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Ideas step, undercut. And so beautiful collection of choppy haircut, notching haircut, cute ideas of bang, chin length bang, nose length bang, many much more ideas of hair dye. Hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, ash color, the so beautiful collection of funky colors, charming ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and ash color with dark base color, funky colors highlights with light base color, very attractive ideas of hairstyling, fine hair hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, and so beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and very stylish collection of messy hairstyle. Many much more beautiful ideas of short hairstyle in pixie with side band for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection new ideas. Take care and bye bye.